To disable auto turn off function, press hold button and the power button to turn on the meter. You can see pH conductivity and the DO readings shown on the screen, and the first layer is temperature reading. Short press unit button to change degree C to degree F, and the short press hold button to freeze current readings. Short hold button again to release the readings. And to change the parameters unit, long press mode button to enter the setting mode. And short press unit button, you can change the unit of DO. And short press calibration button to change conductivity unit. And the short press mode button to change pH unit. After setting finished, long press set button to save the setting. And before measurement, you have to select the correct temperature probe type. Long press unit button. You can see the NTC10, and the short button again to change the temperature type. Our electrode is NTC10, so after 10 be selected, long press unit button again to save. Now you can start to measure the parameters.